Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to the second part of the chapter, the periodic table. Okay, in this part we will discuss about the modern periodic law and modern periodic table. So what is the basis of the classification of elements according to modern periodic law? So most of the defects in Mendeleev's periodic table disappears if the basis of classification of element is changed from atomic weight to atomic number. Means the the problems, or you can say the drawbacks which are come in the periodic table of Mendeleev's was removed if we arrange the elements on the basis of their atomic number at the place of atomic weight. Okay, Moseley arranged these elements in increasing atomic number in 7 horizontal rows that are called periods and 18 vertical columns that are called groups. Okay, this forms the basis of the modern periodic table. So it was the basic form of the periodic table in which the periodic table is classified, or you can say divided into period and groups. Come to the modern periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic number, which is atomic mass in case of Mendeleev periodic law. Hence, element if arranged in increasing order of their atomic number showed similarities in physical properties after regular intervals, and this is known as the periodicity in properties. So reason for periodicity in properties: after definite intervals of the atomic number, reoccurrence of similar electronic configuration takes place. So he has seen that if we place the elements according to their atomic number, then sometime after similar electronic configurations elements are placed with same groups. Since the properties of the elements are depends on the number and arrangement of the electrons, including electrons in the valence shell, elements having the similar electronic configuration have similar properties. So he arranged the elements, those elements which have the similar properties in the similar group. Periodic properties includes atomic radius, ionization potential, and electron affinity. Atomic radius, the distance between the center of the nucleus and outermost shell, is called atomic radius. So it is the periodic property. Second periodic property, ionization potential. The amount of energy required to remove an electron from the outermost shell of the isolated atom is known as the ionization potential. It is also a periodic property. Electron affinity, the amount of energy released when an atom in a gaseous state accepts an electron from form an anion, is known as electron affinity. Okay, now come to the some silent feature of the modern periodic table. First one is the arrangement. So according to a modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers in 7 horizontal rows called periods and 18 vertical columns that are called as groups. Periods, so each period beginning with an element having 1 electrons in their outermost shell and end with the completely filled outermost electrons across a period in transition from metallic to non-metallic character. So from it will start from 1 and completed to 8 in their valence shell. Electrons. Groups. So in periodic table there are group first and second, which are reactive metals. Group third to 12 group is known as transition element group, and they all are metals. And group 13 to 17 contains non-metals in the upper right hand corners, and group 18 is known as noble gases or inert gases. Okay, so this whole arrangement you can see in the periodic table. So this table which are seeing here, that is modern periodic table, in which the elements are classified on the basis of the periods and groups. So this periodic table is divided into these 7 periods and total 18 groups from 1 to 18. 18 group is known as the zero group elements, in which group there are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon are placed, which are inert gases. Okay. So this is the periodic table. Now come to the periods in the modern periodic table. So periods and period number. Periods, 7 horizontal rows of elements are in increasing order of their atomic number. Period number 1 to 7 signifies number of electrons of cell in an element. So what does the period tells about the elements? So number of period tells about the element's last cell. या number of cell means if an element is placed in third period means in that elements there are 3 cells will be present. Okay, so period 1 elements, example hydrogen, and it has 1 electrons, so it has only 1 cell. Period 2 elements, example lithium, so it has 2 cells because electrons placed in 2 and 1. And third period with 3 cells, electron placed as 2, 8 and 1. Okay, so on the basis of number of period you can find out the number of cell in a particular element. Okay, now come to the first 3 periods of the modern periodic table. The period number, type of period. First period is called shortest period because in this period there are 2 elements are placed, that is hydrogen and helium. And period number 2, number of elements 8, and this vary from atomic number 3 to 10. And this period contains only 8 elements, that is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. And the third period, that is also known as short period, and this period varies atomic number from atomic number 11 to 18. And the elements which are placed in this period are sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chloride, chlorine and argon. So these are the first 3 periods of a modern periodic table. Period first, that is hydrogen and helium, contain hydrogen and helium. And period 2 contains these elements, their atomic number, electronic configuration, state and valency. For example, in case of lithium, atomic number is 3, electronic configuration 2 and 1, and state is metal and its valency is 1. So on the basis of this group you can calculate the atomic number, electronic configuration, state, valency of all these elements. Come to the period third group. Period third group contains first 8 to 18 group elements, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Their atomic number, for example, in case of sodium, it has atomic number of 11, electronic configuration will be 2, 8 and 1. It is also a metal and it also contains a valency of 1. Okay, so these are the period 3. Now property trends of the elements from left to right in the periods. Okay, so similarity, number of electron cells remain same. Transition, valence electron transition from metallic to non-metallic character increase by 1, means as we move from left to right in the period the atomic number will increase 1 numbers. Groups in the modern periodic table. So groups and group numbers, 18 vertical columns with 8 main groups in the periodic table. Group number signifies the number of valence electrons of an element. Means you can say that on the basis of group number you can tell the valence electrons number key, that in a element how many valence electrons are present. First group, metals have 1 valence electrons like this. So group 2, it has 2 valence electrons like this, and transition elements, it has also have minus 2 valence electron. This. Okay, so the groups of modern periodic table. Group number, first group, that is called alkali metal, which carry lithium to francium, 8 metals. Group second, alkaline earth metal, it is from beryllium to radon, light metals. Group 13 to 12, in which there are period number 6 and 7 will come, and they are called as transition elements, inner transition element, which contains lanthanoids and actinoids, and it contains 4 periods, scandium, first, third, fourth, fifth and sixth series. okay, in which from scandium to zinc, yttrium to cadmium, lanthanum to mercury, actinium to niobium. Okay, so these elements are placed in group 13 to 12, and group 13 to 16 post transition elements. They are called post transition elements, in which aluminium to germanium to antimony, tin to lead, bismuth and polonium. And group 17 halogen, chlorine to cadmium, and group 18 coal as inert noble gases, inert gases, which contains elements from helium to radon. Okay, so these are the properties and these are the groups in the periodic table. Okay, property trend of element on moving down the group. So property trend on the similarities, valence electrons, chemical properties remain same, remain similar. Okay, and transitions, number of electron cells, so metallic character increases down the subgroup and increase by 1. Okay, so these are some properties trends of elements. Okay, have a nice day.